Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nur Aisyah Agraini. I am from the regular 2 Islamic Banking Study program. Here I will to explain relate to the journal article from summary that I have made in this PPT lecture. Okay, this one. Determining factor of deposit level of Islamic bank in Indonesia. Number 1, abstract summary. The factor affecting the level of deposit of the Islamic banks in Indonesia significantly and positively include the size of banks and their non-performing financing or NPF. But LPS is required to pull or sharpen the surveillance system as part of its early detection by doing the mapping based on the size and to monitor the bank capital structure and bank finance portfolio structure. Next, introduction. This one, the objective of the research. The objective of the research analysis policy in stabilizing the bank system, such as prudential supervision banking system, deposit insurance function, and the central bank's function as a last choice ladder, as well as analyzing deposit insurance schemes that have a stable effect during a crisis period, talk not in normal times. The second, the problem of the research. Islamic deposit insurance is an arrangement to protect insured depositor against the loss of their insured Islamic deposit placed with Islamic banking institution or ABA. ABA in the event of an ABA's failure in this regard, the system must be free from the elements that Islam strictly prohibits, such as interest, speculation, and gambling. Next, method. Method of the research is analyze the bank monthly report of the 11 Islamic banks for the period of 20,011 to 20,015. The source of the report comes from OJK, BE, LPS, and other Islamic bank institutions. The research was conducted from August 2016 to October 2018. It used panel data regression to analyze the data. The data set consisted of cross-section and time series data. The cross-section data are shown by the data consistent of more than one entity or individual, while the time series data are represented by any individual who has more than one period of observation. Next, data collection. In this data collection, the development of Islamic banks in the period of 2011 to 2015 has generated a positive growth with common annual growth rate of 3 major components is 20.27% or asset and 20.51% or financing and 11.45% or deposit. Nevertheless, in 2014 and 2015, ASEAN financing and average fell significantly to 3.04% and 3.46% compared to 2020 or 13.41% and is 2013 or 22.26% and experiencing slowing growth. And this partly due to the uncertainty in the economy and global financial market caused by the slowing global economic recovery. And then technique of analysis data. In this, NPF variable has a significant influence and positive correlation to the level of deposit with score of 0.3. Every 1% increase in NPF will increase the level of deposit by 0.23%. In this result of 10 or not high NPF ratio should be a signal to customer that bank has an inadequate prudential principle in these financing activities. And then finding indication. The result indicate that two variables have no significant effect, which is possible because of Islamic banking market share is minor compared to that of the conventional banking 4.7%. Hence, the difference in those two variables have no effect on the depositors to place the fund in Islamic banks. The awareness of Islamic banking customer to comply with Sharia rules and avoid riba. Furthermore, the diversification in financial instruments as alternative is another factor that is not significant to BA rate and Islamic bank deposit levels such as Sukuk. And then conclusion, during the period of 2011 to 2015, Islamic banking experienced positive growth, although the share asset was still low. Islamic bank has the ability to raise funds with the average ratio of deposit level or 68.70% to 79.91% and cancelled into the financing sector with an average financing deposit ratio of 87.12% to 121.87%. These financing deposit ratio are in compliance with the provision regulated by OJK. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.